Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Hi, I'm Michael Earls with GE Appliances. I am the merchandising specialist on the Smart Home Solutions team, and I'm here today debuting our latest innovation. This is our second generation Kitchen Hub product. This product is amazing, but let me go ahead and let's talk about the existing product that's in the market today. So in the market today, we have a 600 CFM ventilation hood with this beautiful integrated touchscreen display, just like you see here. It's 1080p resolution, it runs on the Android operating system, and it is a Google certified device. So what that means is you have full access to the Google Play Store. You can truly customize this appliance for you, just like we customize our smartphones and tablets today with various apps. Also, you can see we organize these apps into various folders for ease of access. So you can stream your subscription services very easily on this device, whether it is video or even music. You also have the ability through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to send out that audio broadcast throughout your home if you have other smart speakers or devices that you want to pair it to. All right, our U+ Connect, this is our platform where all of the connected things live. So if you have a laundry unit, maybe on another level of the home, you can be here in the kitchen, taking care of dinner and easily monitor those appliances right from this device. Also, video chat capability. We do have a forward-facing camera on the product, and that allows you to really connect with folks that are far away with great clarity. My personal favorite functionality of this product, though, is our Flavorly application. Flavorly is our application that has over 5,000 guided recipes at your fingertips. So not only is it beautiful to look at, but its ease of use is amazing. You can simply swipe through, find a dish you like, or you can leverage filters. And you can filter by cuisine type, maybe a dietary restriction, maybe a meal type. Maybe you're looking for appetizer recommendations. You can easily filter there. Or let's say you open the refrigerator and you see you've got some chicken that's thawed that you need to cook. Well, I can go into popular ingredients and select chicken and get some really great ideas on dishes that I can make. My personal favorite is time. So when we come home from work, most of us don't have much time before we're back in the car headed somewhere else. So what can we do in 30 minutes or less? We'll apply that filter, and as you can see, we've got over 3,600 options at our fingertips. So that's Flavorly at a very high level. Now, as I mentioned, this is our next generation product. So all those same great features exist with this product, but now we've incorporated a microwave into this for even more functionality. Close that. And to take it a step further, we're leveraging AI technology to do some amazing things and really gauge the doneness of foods. So, through this AI technology, we have the ability to identify items that maybe you've purchased, they're in your pantry, they're in your refrigerator, and you know that you've got to consume them in the next couple days. So what we can do is we have items over here, we've got a camera mounted, and it will identify what those particular items are through AI and machine learning. And then as you can see, I have the ability for it to suggest recipes. So we'll suggest a recipe here, and now you see I've got my main ingredients, I've got the other or optional ingredients. So I'm going to select the skillet garlic butter herb steak and potatoes. So from here we're back into our Flavorly application. One thing I love about Flavorly is I can simply adjust the serving size, and when I do that, the ingredient quantities automatically scale for me, which is huge. When I'm ready to start cooking, I simply hit this button here, and I'm on my way with a guided cooking experience. As I follow through the steps, you see now I get to the point where I'm going to sear the steak. So we're going to do a little Hollywood magic here, bear with me. And we're going to give you a glimpse at how this AI technology will benefit you in the kitchen. So we'll select AI doneness. So you can see here is what we're looking for, that optimal sear on that steak. And then that's what the camera is seeing. So it knows it's not quite there. So we'll switch it out here with a little more magic. And as you can see, the camera now has realized this steak is perfectly seared and ready to go. So this is the kind of technology that we're going to be bringing with our next gen kitchen hub and other cooking products that we have coming to market very soon. But let's continue with this. So now the next step is we're going to make a compound. And as we do this, the camera has noticed, theoretically, you should have added garlic into the skillet. So it's picked up on a missing ingredient. All right, so we can say, all right, we've added the garlic. We'll keep going through. We're going to finish the steak off. And then one of my favorite components with this is not only can you quickly add those items you've just prepared to a shopping list, but you can also sync all of that macronutrient data to your Fitbit. So if you're trying to be healthier, you're trying to track your calories, track your intake of various elements, you can do that with leveraging AI and the functionality that we have here. So right now, this is not out in the market yet. You're going to look for it at the end of 2020.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.